All right, so this is our new set of glass containers. The wife wanted to get rid of all the plastic. So this is our first purchase here. Found these from Bayco right here with the coupons. So we're gonna try these. If they work, then we'll buy some more. So there we go. Obviously they're fragile. Handle with care, made of glass, and nothing else on the bottom. So let me try to open this and check them out. Yeah, on the side it did talk about the sizes of these, so I'll take a look at those here in a minute, see how they line up. So everything is packed pretty securely. This is a heavy box. I was tempted to sort of weigh it, but things are packed in here pretty snugly. And this is, sorry if you can see this, it is actually really heavy and looks pretty thick kind of glass here. Trying to see where the frame is here. Let's see. Okay, so we've got a top and bottom wrapper on the top here. It's like, all right, that just comes off there, and some packaging and stuff here. So the seal here is, sorry, I got styrofoam all over me here. Not sure what material that is. It's kind of squishy. It looks like it'll seal fairly well, and latch on there. So this is a little heavier than I thought it would be, so it looks very sturdy. Formed, obviously this is one of the 3 compartment ones, so let's see what that looks like on there. So right there, looks pretty tight. I'll throw some water in some of these and give them a little test. But so we've got 3 of those, I think, coming out, and a manual. Would have been nice if that was up on the top. Hope I didn't do anything wrong thus far, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple here. So careful using, don't over the glass containers so they don't scrape each other. Okay, that's good to know. I'll look through that, see if there's anything there. Warranty for 12 months. Good to have, I guess. So we've got 3 individuals and then 3 that have the 2 compartment in here. So very nice. Mainly looking for food storage. And one of the things is we haven't wanted to be able to put the plastic in the microwave, so I think these should be able to go straight from the refrigerator to the microwave. And you know, as it says on the box here, we can go microwave, oven, fridge, and dishwasher. So that is really nice to have. All right, so here's what I'm gonna test to put some food coloring obviously in here to just sort of see if things leak as we go here. I did test that the small lids can interchange, so either the single compartment or the double compartment here. I read the instructions and they suggest hand washing the lids to kind of protect they say it's a rubber gasket, which is entirely possible. And that these can come out, but you can easily reseat them if they do. So they're dishwasher safe, but they say they'll last longer if you hand wash them. So we'll see how we do with that. But all right, that's just a little plain water on there. So here's single compartment, and it would appear to be watertight. So that's a good test there. And then we have here, and I can already see that it's not watertight from compartment to compartment, but it is not leaking out. So if you're trying to put two different things in here, I guess that would allow some leakage. Of course, if you're just storing them in the refrigerator and not hauling them around, this is not really going to slosh around that much. But so I expect the same thing to come with the 3 compartment here, that it's not going to be watertight. In fact, now that I look, I don't know if you can sort of see it, but there's totally a gap up at the top. I didn't even look to see, but so yeah, now we have some beautiful color in there, but watertight.
All right, here's a look at a few things I had in the kitchen fridge that I could put in the containers real quick. So the small container held 8-pack of hot dogs without any trouble there. The large 3 compartment held quite a bunch of grapes and carrots there. And hot dog roll, it was already a little bit smushed. It was maybe a tiny bit big for the compartment, but it fit right in there the way it was. So just to give you a sense of what these can hold, I have some measurements of them a little bit later on if you want to stay tuned for some of those details there. But these are very sturdy. Really, really happy with them working out well for us. Being safe in the dishwasher is good. We're choosing to hand wash the lids so they'll last. Just our choice to try to keep them durable. Being able to put them in the microwave safely and not worry about melted plastic or leaching of chemicals there. Really like that. The only challenge for us has been that they take a little bit more storage space here, especially the multi-compartment ones that don't really sit down on top of each other, and that's not a problem with the product. It's just the way they're designed, of course. So if we buy some more, which we're planning to do, we'll probably want to go with single compartment containers that can stack a little bit closer together. So I hope this is a helpful look. And like I said, I have some measurements here if you want to stay tuned for that.
They call it 6.9, so I guess they're counting the outside there, which is correct. And outside there is right around 5, something like that. And a little over 2 inches thick. And then the big guys here. Like 7 3/4, something like that. And right around 6. So I think the measurements on the box are maybe a little overly generous. It's about 2 1/4 there, something like that. 2 3/4 deep. Okay, so we'll start with the 3 compartment. I've got about a quart of water, and it's hard for you to tell that, but see. Just wanted to get a sense of roughly what that'll hold. So that's pretty full, and I got maybe a half cup left. So 3.5 cups or so of whatever you're putting in there. Into the one of these guys, which they're the same size, the small and single and the 2 compartments. So I dribbled a little bit of my 4 quarts or 4 cups there on the counter, but that's about 1 2/3 cup left. So if I can do my math, 2 1/3 of a cup in there. So that's out of my 4 cups. I got 1 full and one more than half. So gives a little sense of capacity there. Run them by the wife. I think she is going to be pleased, and we're going to be ditching the plastic to have the glass. So hope this is a helpful look at these. Have a great day.